So normally we will get an opportunity early, and then we'll get some bounces. You know, you're going to get stopped out. So when I said just hit the bounces, you have to understand where potential resistance may or may not be, because all you can do is react to it. And at the time, we were playing this 42 to 43 as the resistance zone, right? And what you're trying to do is understand a pattern. For me, the pattern was starting to see this spread in the umbrella trade, the green and the red and the blue and the pink, because once we take out that 37, we're undermining all of those traders. And we know that the bounces are going to get hit, so we want to be part of that first, coming this direction. We have no idea why it's going this way. I have no idea what the news said, but I do know that, okay, let's hit a bounce and see if we're right. Now, if we're wrong and it keeps on going this way, just take your stop out. And then try to understand where our potential, targets are, like that gap. And if we could get in to a typical swing, once it's moving the first, 15, 20 minutes, you just want to try to get as close as you can to it. And then it's the people who, miss that a lot of times, who will then try too late and as it's taking profits. But that's why it's important to do it early. Just if you guess right, get it. And then the second mouse sometimes in a move like this is the one that gets caught. Doesn't mean we can't go lower, but it means right now some traders, are going to be taking profits, like us, rather than overstaying it, because it's still early. And these are, retesting areas before that were previously supported. So here's our news bar right here. And as such, the high of this bar is now going to be key. Because I'd say we still have range until that 32 gets broken. We still have range. Still inside yesterday's range. So it seems to me that today it's going to be one of those days that we've got some more range trading before we resolve it. And because it can't break down until we take out that swing low, obviously, from a couple days ago. And you can see just how important this is for now. So we had said the other day, 32 to 34 supports are broken, and that is still my credo today. 32 to 34 support until broken. But when you get near that gap, the odds change. Because now what you're fighting for is one more point versus the possibility of coming back through the day's range. And that's why trading is so hard, and that's why I keep saying the goal line, that last yard is the hardest yard. Yes, I agree. Thank you, Zeke.